Remove the screws on the shaft. Separate the shaft with the plate. Prepare a tripod with horizontal arm. Fix the shaft on the horizontal arm. Mount your camera on. Add the counterweight on the other side. The camera is not leveled up. Move the mount to level it up, so you can get a smooth shot. Put all products on a table. Make sure align your products with the shaft pole. Spin the shaft vertically. Here is the final shot. You can also change the background, the position of products, with the same way, to get different shot. Change the camera's position. Take the product away. You'll get a shot like this. That's all how we use Ulanzi rotating platform to shoot product videos. Free your imagination. Get your own creative shots. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. This will encourage us to create more great videos. Thanks. See you on next video.